Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is ready to elevate your productivity with its dual screen. After buying it, the first thing you have to do is ensure optimal protection of its screen, because in a split second, one slip out of your hand can shatter both the screens and your heart. To avoid such tragedy, you need a robust screen protector. In today's video, we have made a list of the top 5 screen protectors for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 that can defend the display from scratches, drops, and impacts. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Milomdoi screen protector for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 wipes the floor of its competition as a value for money. It comes with 2 installation frames to install the screen protector pretty easily, even if you don't have any experience. If there are any bubbles after the installation, don't worry, they will automatically recover within 24 hours. Moreover, this screen protector is made of polymetric heat-resistant nanomaterials, so they will not bulge or warp in extreme weather. Also, it's scratch and stain resistant to keep your screen brand new. With a highly transparent and ultra-thin design, it maintains the original visual experience. This screen protector is even rated with 9H, which constantly keeps your screen safe from drops and scratches. Besides, the nano-hydrophobic materials effectively reduce fingerprints and smudges, keeping your Fold 4 screen neat and clean. And yes, with this package, you'll get 3 extra pairs of camera, cover display, and internal display protectors. Another great screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is from UEEBAI, which is made of ultra-thin and premium quality transparent film. It also features 9H hardness and a 3D round edge to maintain the original touch response as well as screen accuracy. Besides, the hydrophobic oleophobic screen coating protects your Fold 4 screen against sweat and oil residue from fingerprints. Not only that, by applying the screen protector, you can consistently protect your Fold 4's display from scratches and impacts. It's only 0.3mm thick, which enables outstanding screen clarity. Plus, you'll not face any trouble while installing it. Guard your Galaxy Z Fold 4 screen against accidental damage with the Supershieldz screen protector, which is made from high-quality TPU for easy installation and leaves no residue when you remove it. Also, this screen protector has high-definition transparency film that ensures crystal clear resolution, so you'll get outstanding clarity while watching content on your Fold 4. Plus, it offers accurate touch sensitivity just like the original display. By applying the screen protector, you can save your Fold 4 screen from daily scratches, scrapes, and dust. And it comes in a 2-pack for both displays. Elevate the protection level of your Galaxy Z Fold 4 with the Whitestone Dome Premium Film. This screen protector fits perfectly from edge to edge, providing maximum protection for your Fold 4 screen. Besides, the TPU film makes everything super easy for instant installation all by yourself. Also, you will not face any distortion while watching your favorite content because this screen protector delivers optimal screen clarity. Moreover, this protector is fingerprint resistant, which means you don't have to clean the screen frequently. With this screen protector, you also get a camera protector and a hinge cover film. And finally, the Ringke screen protector is the best one you can get for your Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is precisely designed to defend both inner and outer display. Plus, the premium film allows it to perfectly fit the Fold 4 screen. This protector even comes with a high elasticity polyurethane which keeps it in place after the phone is folded. Also, oleophobic coating makes the screen protector resistant to oil that reduces fingerprints and smudges. Besides, the self-healing ability repairs minor scratches after a certain time. Furthermore, it has accurate touch recognition to deliver authentic response and sensitivity. So, that was all about the top 5 screen protectors for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.